Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ben and Emma.
I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you are here with us again today.
And I'm Ben. Together, we are your guide to practical, real-life English.
Emma, you seem a little nervous today. Are you okay?
Oh, Emma, I am not okay. I am very, very nervous.
Why? What's happening?
I am going on a trip next month to London by myself.
Ben, that's wonderful. A trip to London. That's so exciting.
No, Emma, it is not exciting. It is terrifying. I don't speak English well enough.
Yes, you do. You speak wonderful English.
But I have never traveled alone. I don't know what to do. I don't even know what to pack.
Pack?
But Emma, now I am worried about the airport.
The airport?
Yes, the airport is so big. It's so confusing. What is the first thing I do when I arrive?
Don't worry, Ben. It's just a few simple steps. The first step is check-in.
Check-in?
Yes, you go to the airline counter and you give them your big suitcase. You check in your luggage.
And they give me my ticket?
Exactly. They give you your boarding pass. This is a very important paper.
My boarding pass. Okay, it tells me where to go?
Yes, it shows your gate number and your seat number and the boarding time.
Gate, seat, boarding time. Okay, I have my boarding pass. Now what?
Now you go to security.
Security. Oh no, this is the scary part.
It's not scary, Ben. They just need to check your carry-on bag.
What do I do?
You have to take off your shoes and your belt and your jacket.
Take off my shoes? Why?
It's just the rule. And you must take out your laptop and your liquids.
Liquids like my water bottle?
Yes, but be careful. You cannot bring a big water bottle through security. Only very small liquids, less than 100 milliliters.
Okay, small liquids. I will remember that. Then what?
Then you find your gate and you wait. You wait for your boarding time.
And when it is time, I board the plane.
You board the plane. You found your seat, you put your bag up, and you relax. See? Airport finished.
Wow. Okay. Check-in, security, gate. I can do that. But Emma, I am on the plane for 8 hours.
Yes, it's a long flight.
When I arrive in London, I will be so tired.
Ah, yes. You will have jet lag.
Jet lag? What is that?
Jet lag is that feeling when you are very, very tired because you traveled to a different time zone.
Yes, I will have jet lag. I just want to sleep.
It's a very common feeling. It's a great word to use.
Okay, so I am in London, I am tired, and I am at the big airport. How do I get to my hotel?
That is the next step. You can take a taxi or you can take the train.
I think I will take the train. It is cheaper.
Good choice. So you follow the signs for the train station.
But Emma, I don't know how to buy a ticket.
Don't worry, Ben. It is very easy. You go to the ticket machine or the ticket counter.
A machine. I like machines. What do I say?
You don't say anything. You just choose your destination.
My destination. So, Central London.
Perfect. Then you choose a one-way ticket or a round-trip ticket.
What is the difference?
A one-way ticket is just to go, one way.
Huh?
A round-trip ticket is to go and to come back later.
Ah, I just need a one-way ticket to my hotel.
Exactly. Then you pay by card, and the machine gives you a ticket.
That is easy. Then I find my platform?
You find your platform. That is the correct word. You are a great traveler, Ben.
I am learning. But Emma, what if I get off the train and I am lost?
Lost?
Yes. London is so big. I have my hotel address, but I cannot read the maps. What if I am lost?
Ben, this is the most common fear for all travelers. Do not worry.
But it's so embarrassing.
No, it is not. You just need to learn the magic phrase for asking for directions.
A magic phrase?
Yes, you find a police officer or a shop owner, you smile, and you say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Yes, and then you say the second magic phrase, "I am looking for..."
I am looking for the Big Ben Hotel.
Perfect! Or, "I am lost. Where is..."
Where is... That is easy.
And they will give you simple directions. They will say, "Go straight," or "Turn left," or "Turn right."
Straight, left, right. I know those words.
See? You are not lost anymore.
Okay. I asked for directions. I found my hotel. I am safe.
Yes. Now you just need to check in to your hotel.
Check in? Like at the airport?
Yes, it's the same word. You go to the front desk and you say the magic words.
What are the magic words?
"Hello, I have a reservation."
A reservation. I booked my room online, so I have a reservation.
Exactly. You say, "I have a reservation under the name Ben."
They will understand me?
Yes, they will ask for your passport and maybe a credit card.
I have those. Those are my essentials.
See? And then they give you your key card.
A key card for my room.
Yes, and you are checked in. You can finally relax.
Whew. That was a long journey. Packing, the airport, the train, getting lost, the hotel.
But you did it, and you learned all the English for it.
But Emma, what about a hostel?
A hostel?
Yes, my friend said I should stay in a hostel. He said it is cheaper.
Ah, yes. A hostel is different from a hotel.
How is it different?
A hotel is private. You get your own room, your own bathroom. It is quiet.
A hostel is not private?
No, in a hostel, you usually sleep in a dorm room.
A dorm room? With other people?
Yes, you share a room with 4 or 6 or even 10 other travelers.
10 people? In one room?
Yes, but it is very, very cheap, and it is a great way to meet new friends.
I think I am too nervous. I will choose the private hotel.
That is a good choice for your first trip, Ben.
Wow, Emma, I feel so much better. I think I can actually do this trip.
Of course you can. You are ready.
Now I can just be excited. I can think about my dream vacation.
Ah, the last topic, your dream vacation.
London is my first trip, but Japan is my dream destination.
We talked about this in our hobbies episode, Your Japan Jar.
Yes, I am still saving money for it.
That is a wonderful goal.
Okay, Emma, I am ready. Let's do a final role play.
You want to do a role play?
Yes, I will be the nervous traveler, and you can be everyone.
Okay, Ben, I am ready. You are at the airport check-in.
Hello? I need to check in. For my flight to London?
Hello, sir. May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here it is. I have one suitcase to check in and one carry-on bag.
Perfect. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12, and boarding time is at 4 p.m. Have a nice flight.
Wow, that was easy. New scene. Ben looks lost on a street. Excuse me? I'm so sorry. I am lost.
Oh, don't worry. Where are you going?
I'm looking for the Big Ben Hotel. Where is it?
Ah, it is very close. Go straight and turn left at the coffee shop.
Go straight, turn left. Thank you. Thank you so much.
New scene. Ben is at the hotel.
Hello. I have a reservation under the name Ben.
Hello, Mr. Ben. We have been expecting you. May I see your passport?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Here is your key card. You are in room 402. Enjoy your stay.
End scene. Emma, I did it. I am a real traveler.
You did it, Ben. You are a superstar.
Today was a huge lesson. My brain is full.
But you learned everything. We covered packing, airports, trains, getting lost, hotels, hostels, and jet lag.
We learned so many words. Essentials, boarding pass, one-way, reservation.
You are completely ready for your trip to London. You will have a wonderful time.
Thank you, Emma. I am not nervous anymore. I am just excited.
That is the goal. And for your homework this week, we want to hear about your travel dreams.
Yes, please tell us. What is your #1 dream destination? Where do you want to go?
We will read every single comment. Thank you for listening to English with Ben and Emma.
Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We will see you next week. Bye-bye.